I have the person that took third in the competition, and her name is Nwada Ebubechukwu Ogweze. She is 24 years old. Okay, my sincere apologies. So the person that I'll be calling now is the representative of Enugu State. She is Nwada Chinaza Nadi. She sold one ticket and she answered a few questions. That one ticket awarded her a total of 20 marks out of 70, and she answered a few questions, and at the end of the day she was awarded 10 marks, making a total of 30 marks all over 100. So I will be inviting her up the stage now, and I would like the DJ to help us with a little song. So, Nwada Chinaza Nadi, your presence is needed. She's beautiful, she is fair,